Hey guys, Jake, JJ the Boss, and this is our new project truck. It is an F-250, it's 1973 project truck that we got. It's our first one, and I'm gonna give a brief description of it. We know we need to fix some stuff like that. We have some weird engine stuff happening. Battery's dead, so I can't start it. But let's go through and look at it. We have a big grill guard and stuff. Then we come, pop the hood. I'm sounding on snow. We have a Ford 390. Can make about 120. Battery's whacked. Upgrades that we have done, we have put a bigger air filter on. The older one, it's in the garage, but that we have to fix the exhaust leak because it's kind of leaking. It makes that sound, sliding and stuff. But other than that, it's a pretty good engine. Then I forgot to show you something in here. We do have some rust issues, but we're gonna leave them. I don't care about rust. See, I just pull that off. We don't care about rust on this channel unless it's a restoration, and we do. But these trucks, we're gonna leave them how they are, clean them and stuff. But alright, inside we have some it is dirty hole in the floor. Harley Davidson. This stain, it's from there, because look at that. You hear this? There's water in my roof, probably coming from somewhere up here. It's leaking. We have a problem. Roof liner's bad. Behind here, it's just your average stuff. We have stuff up here, like that, which is supposed to go over. This is supposed to go right. The third one closest to us. We do not currently have the rearview mirror on. Yeah. There I am. We have the manual. Still came with it. And yeah, I'm wearing my crazy Loft-All jacket. It's Ranger XLT. And here we have garbage. We have a new steering wheel. We have upgraded that because that's where this came from. Otherwise, we have all other garbage and stuff in here. We have a Minnesota Vikings bumper plate, CB radio. It's a Cruise-O-Matic auto transmission. Sorry. It's the bed. It's full of my bike parts. Bed. Got a dent. It's not like deep in there to open. We'll open it. No, I can't. It's hard. It's like way too hard. But you can see that's kind of rusty. Well, let's trudge in the snow. Alright. Never mind. I'm in Crocs. We have put all those on the back. Oh. But that's deep. That's almost up to my knee. And there's snow in my truck. Great. Open this, that's a problem. Oh, hey, it opens. It didn't before. Big rip in the seat. When you're sitting in a seat, we have a cracked windshield. There. No, that's a cap. But otherwise, what I keep in here is a pocket knife, all just in case, some coins and stuff. And then shut the doors. Become not that many miles. Oh, it says the old motor could go 100 and stuff, but right now radio does not work. And, gas, brake, e-brake, and then high beams and stuff. But other than that, pretty good. I want to get a new one. Got CD. Now I can have my CDs and all that lined up there. Refiner is being held together currently by tape. Maybe you can oh no, can you see up there? Let's see. Yeah, I thought it's up in the top. But then the water is and that leaks all over the seat. Not good. But back window opens. All that. Another Harley floor mat. But yeah, we're gonna hope this is our next project. We're gonna have videos on that soon. Hopefully soon to come. Snow's been melting and